This is a Sanyo AM/FM stereo receiver, record player, and 8-track that features a discrete 4-channel quadraphonic system in it. I've gone through and cleaned all the controls so there's no scratchy noises. All the lights are working, including the stereo indicator lamp.
What are the outcomes? What are the intended outcomes?
Plus deaths from that last year. But there is also a shortage of mental health.
Cleaned up the 8-track player, installed a new belt in it. It's nice and smooth. All the track indicators work. I just have the front speakers hooked up, but you can get an extra pair of speakers and hook up the rear channel speakers. And if you have a quadraphonic tape, it will play it in discrete 4-channel. Otherwise, you can listen to it in a synthesized 4-channel matrix, they call that. And I've completely disassembled the record changer mechanism. Cleaned all the old grease out of it and re-lubricated it, and it works nice and smooth. I got a couple of records stacked up here, and you can stack up 4 or 5 without any problem. No damage physically on it anywhere. And these bookshelf-sized speakers sound real nice with it. Dust cover doesn't have any cracks or chips, just some surface scratches on top. This has a Q lift. Of course, the end of play and return works just fine now.